Welcome back, and today we have this bare bones trainer from Blade Runner Systems, and here is the packaging here, and then inside just the business card like a maintenance, and then in this bag I put the latch and put it in here, and then some wrap, some packaging, and that's it. Like I said, I took the latch off because I didn't like the latch flapping all over the place. So here is the outside look. Some quick spec. Overall length is 10 inches. The blade length is 4.3 inches. The blade thickness is 0.13 inches. The blade is 154 cm. I believe it's heat treated also, which is good. That way if you drop it doesn't keep bending on you, or less likely to break also. The blade profile is a drop point. They call it stone wash, but I don't, it's got more of like a coating on there. The handle length is 5.6 inches. The handle thickness is 0.4 inches. The handle is stainless steel. And the weight is 5.2 ounces. Made in the USA. Let's see if I can. I do like this. It's a fun trainer. As you can tell, it's a dull edge, so it's not gonna hurt, or it's not gonna cut you like it would a razor sharp knife. And the spine is crowned, so it's got a comfortable feeling. And this flat, where the action would be, where it would be sharp, it's flat, so when it smashes against your finger, it'll let you know that you're on the bite side instead of the safe side. So I'm trying to manipulate this while my hand is trying not to hit the tripod here or the table. There's the hardware, T10 hardware. It is the Zen pin construction. And you can see, I guess, I was looking into trying to tune this Balisong, but it came out of the, I mean, I bought it brand new, and it still flips flawlessly, but I noticed that there's a lot of blade rub here. And then it's just not so much on this side, but there is starting to show just a tiny little spot right here. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but there's a tiny little spot. But you can see here the blade rub. But I guess that's pretty common for at least bare bones, because Blade Runner Systems, they have 3 different Balisong versions, but I believe I've only seen like a trainer version of bare bones. And like I say, they have, like the bare bones is considered like their entry level Balisong, and then they have higher price, about 2 higher price models. But I haven't seen them in trainers, so. But like I said, I like this because it's fun and you can just. I mean, I'm not taking it too serious. Flipping. I don't see myself entering competitions. There's the barrel spacers here. Let's see if you can hear blade where the tab, and then and I've had this. Let's see if I'm there. I've had this Balisong, I would say at least like 6 months, around there. And I've flipped it a ton of times, and I've dropped it many times. But it's still holding up like it's still brand new, other than the blade rub. But I haven't had to Loctite it once. I believe it came Loctite, or it comes Loctite except the latch. The latch was pretty easy to get off because it wasn't Loctite. Where the screws to hold the latch, it wasn't Loctite, so it was pretty easy to the latch to get off. It is on the little heavier side compared to like other trainers, but the other handles are aluminum for other trainers, and this is stainless steel, so it is going to be a little heavier. But it does, I noticed this does chaplains a lot better than the little lighter training Balisong. Like the glider Balisong I have, it's got aluminum handles, and it's kind of, when I do the chaplains, it wants to fly off. But since this is heavier, the chaplains are a lot easier to do on this. Really nice USA built quality trainer Balisong. Something that will able to hold up for a long time. I haven't had too many issues with pinching or anything. The tangs are nice and rounded, very minimal. And there you have it. The BRS Bare Bones Training Balisong. And until next time, have a great day.